like it with this sound or when we do the Flowmaster? Do you like the Flowmaster 40s or do you like this one? It's still got stock mids, okay? Stay tuned.
All right, guys, we got a 2019 Hellcat SRT. He's got a whole bunch of things done to it, but I'm gonna show you guys what you came to see, and that's the exhaust. He's got some BBK long tube headers there with some high flow cats to the X pipe, and what we put on, some Flowmaster 40 series. He already had a rear delete done with the black tips. That's what we did, and we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Forgot to mention the cam, guys. It's got a stage 3 cam on it. Woo. Sound decibels? 116, 115. That's awesome. The whine of the supercharger. Oh god, that's great. Remember, guys, to follow and subscribe, please. Let you guys hear on the inside.